what if an object is now pulled at an angle? So for example, let's say that you had a sled, and instead of just pulling the sled straight forward, which is a little bit weird anyway, somebody was pulling the sled at an angle like this. Let's say it was at a 35-degree angle. And let's say that you were pulling with a force of 60 newtons. And the cart was going to move, or the little sled was going to move forward, let's say a distance of 5 meters due to this force. How much work would we do there? Well, that's really straightforward. It's actually much easier than what you've done before. So work is equal to FD cosine of the angle. So work is what we're curious about. The force is 60. The distance we're going to move the object is 5. And the angle between what the force is and the direction the object is going is 60 degrees or 35 degrees. So it's the cosine of 35. Okay, so we put that in a calculator. Make sure, of course, that your calculator is in degrees and not radians. And we get 245.75 joules. And really, that is all there is to it. You just kind of plug them in and solve.